Okay, this is another Kronoswiss Aquastop 12mm Leysin. All the skirts are off and been thrown away and all replaced. Ripped the walnut off the fireplace, which is hideous. Undercut all the posts, speeded the kitchen. No room. Client's just moving back in. They think it's been out for about 3 weeks. It's been desperate to get back in. These steps was actually only this bit of step, so I built out this one, this little side. So yeah, pretty pleased with that. So I opened it all up. I think it was a balustrade on the left. It's a bit of a nightmare because this from just where the stairs are, right to left, sloped down about 30mm, and from the kitchen entrance, so the kitchen door there, to the step went down 30mm, so I had to ramp it all as a swine. So all the steps, I think every angle's different. Look at that. Yeah, I had to measure with a special mitre measurer, and it was ridiculous. There's no 22.5s, no 45s, no nothing. So, yeah, there you go. Another finish the floating floor, Kronoswiss Aquastop, no brainer. Choose it, AC5, 25-year warranty. Looks brilliant. Okay, thanks for watching.